take a little bit of a sidebar. When this witness indicated that once somebody forms a belief, how difficult it is to get them to change. And why I'm saying I'm taking a sidebar with this is I've argued many times and trained trial lawyers many times that what's more important, an opening statement or a closing statement? And I've always said, even though when I first started it was contrary to my thought process, the opening, because that's where you have an opportunity to form beliefs that people will have around the facts of a case. You give them the context of the case. You let them know where the evidence is fitting in by a very good opening. But talk to us a little bit about the psychology of how important it is to get an informed opinion as quickly as possible, knowing how hard it is to get people to come out of that opinion.
You know, one of the things that we instruct juries in jury trials is not to immediately express what your decision is, one way or the other, was guilt or innocence or liable or not liable, because if during the course of deliberations you hear something that could cause you to change your position, if you take a strong stance from the beginning, you may not be open or flexible to consider other options. And so it's a real issue, but the psychology of it is, that's right. Once we accept a position individually as people, once we accept a position that we have, we will argue that position even to the exclusion of logic that suggests that there's other evidence to contradict our positions. It's human nature, I believe. So I don't know that I'd agree with you about the opening being the most important. I'm kind of a closing argument type of person, but I certainly understand the position that you would argue that.